This is not the greatest and best mail call in the world. This is just a tribute. Welcome back to the shed, guys. We're here again. Now I have to admit, this is the second time I've recorded this video. Unfortunately, all the footage got lost somewhere in Canon M50 world, which is this deadly camera that I tipped in all this money to make my channel so much better. Thanks, Andrew at Touring Midwest. Anyway, don't worry about that. We'll have another crack, ×2. So I did a really good mail time video, and obviously I can't repeat that because I can't just whip a knife out and cut open imaginary fucking letters again. So just pretend. Bear with me, guys. So we're going to start in no particular order, and we'll just go back through the list because you guys deserve a shout out. Your stickers made it to the bar. While I'm talking about this, guys, if you want anything hanging in the background like this little pink pig here, or if you want the old mate Bob, you want him to wear something, one of your hats or a shirt, or, you know, a pair of jocks, or as long as they're clean. You know, anything like that, just send it through. The PO box is down in the description. So, happy to play along. So, alright guys, we will just try and stumble our way back through this again, but sorry. Okay, so in no particular order, we got our first letter. Hey Skidpig, enclosed are a couple of my new stickers and a spam card. Bloody great channel, Gov, my man. Another Australian moto vlogger. He hails from down south and has fantastic taste in motorcycles. He rides a wide glide as well. Cheers bro, I'll put a close up of your stuff here, and your sticker will be going on the bar. Thank you sir. Alrighty. Next we have Skidpig. Really enjoy watching your videos. Here are some stickers. Nick. Jersey Nick Moto. Thanks dude. I will put a close up of your stuff here. And your stuff is on the bar. Alrighty guys, so next one. Oh, this one's a little bit special. Skidpig, hey man, thanks so much for the follows. I'm enjoying watching your adventures. Have fun and be safe out there. Mary, the Geared Raven. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but come in a little bit closer. Mary is Skidpig's first Instagram model. Oh no, round of applause. Alright, so Mary ordered one of my shirts and she put photos up of it on Instagram. But anyway, yep. So congratulations to the very first ever Skidpig Instagram model. Thank you ma'am, lucky to have you. It's my first. Now, she sent some of her early logos. So I've put them, I've actually got one on my bike, one on the bar, one on the toolbox I believe. But anyway, here's the close-ups. Alrighty, next one. Here we go. We have JT Hickman. Found your channel via the hashtag support group of moto vloggers and have been enjoying everyone's videos during these cold Indiana days. Here's a chip and stickers. My first mail call video talks about the colours and the parrot on the back. Stay safe and keep your head on a swivel. Hickman. Thank you, sir. Do appreciate it. Let's put a close-up of this chip. Check this out, guys. Now that is pretty cool, man. Do love a full colour chip. I will be putting those guys into my chip collector thing, but you can see it's a little bit messed up at the moment because of all the floods we went through recently. This shed had about that much water go through it, so everything's a little bit swollen. So anyway, we'll work through it. What's next? Alrighty, this one. Hey brother, not much of a letter writer, but I love the channel and look forward to more bike updates and crab videos. Here's my channel sticker, enjoy. Your buddy, Twisted Metals of Texas. Keep the rubber side down. Thanks dude, I fucking really appreciate that. I've been watching your videos too after we spoke online, so you do some cool gun stuff, so appreciate that, man. We'll do a bit of a close-up here. Oh, pardon me. Alright guys, so next one is, I actually got a little bit dirty about this after the first one I opened. I'm like, Mary, you have new stickers, you have a new logo, and you send me your old one? Really? But then, I opened this up. The Geared Raven. Stickers are here. I designed these myself and wanted to get them out to everyone. Thanks again for your support. Love, Mary. You're lucky, because I really wanted these new ones, because that is a kick-ass design. Very proud of you for doing that by yourself. So, we got spam cards and stickers. Let's have a close-up. How cool is that? That is like a professional design. Well done. Love it. You're on the bar. I believe you have definitely made it to the toolbox, and your old one is on the bike actually, so that is an honour. And you also gave us a chip, so do a close-up of that. Thank you very much, my lovely Instagram model. Alrighty, so last one. This was a big ass package, guys, so all this stuff came from all the way from California. We'll get it all out on the table. Alright, so here we got all the stuff from my main man in Cali. He didn't put his name on the package, so I'm not going to say it just in case he doesn't want to reveal that sort of stuff, but I've been talking to him a bit on Instagram. If you want to hit me up on Instagram, here's my thing here. But he sent me a heap of cool fishing gear, which I'm going to show you some close-ups of. But have a go at all this cool stuff, man. Thank you so much, dude. I will have a crack at trying to catch something with all this. So as you know, if you're a regular to the channel, I'm not the best fisherman in the world, but I do give it a red hot crack. So rest assured, I'll try this stuff out, man, and hopefully we can catch something. One thing I did forget, guys, since the first time I recorded this, was the postcard my Instagram model sent me, so we'll have a little close-up of this one. Thank you, Mary. Love your accent, as you know. A little bit of a stalker there. Alright, enough of that. I really wanted to be a little bit more professional about how I did it all, but shit happens, you know, technology, what are you gonna do? So, anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you on the next one. Alright, have a fantastic day, guys, wherever you are in the world. Don't forget to have a cold beer, and I'll catch you on the next one, eh? See ya!